Hello, if you wonder if your Tapo C120 camera needs to be plugged in, well, it does need to be plugged in because there is no battery and you need to plug it to the Type-C port located on the back of the camera to give it power so the camera would work. With the camera in the box there comes the dedicated cable with the Type-C port to the camera to connect it. It is very long and I recommend to use this cable from the box which comes with the camera to use it to connect it, because if you use some different cable which is not supposed, different cable to connect this camera, there's actually a rubber sealer right here, and if you try to connect it, the sealer might push the cable out, so the camera would simply turn off. So it is recommended to use the cable that comes with the camera. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.